Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of the Bultaco Lobito restoration. It's a 1970 Mk3 model, and according to Bultaco Club UK, it's fairly rare to find one in this country. So today it's all about stripping. Not quite the full Monty, but parts will be removed for your entertainment. I'm starting with the front mudguard, which I'll be using a 10mm spanner and flat-ended screwdriver to remove. The mudguard isn't original, so will be replaced with an alley one. There are also two brackets holding the mudguard up, which I'll take off and get recromed at a later date. They're in pretty good condition. The reason for speeding the filming up is because I'm so cack-handed. I seriously edited out over 15 minutes of me completely faffing. My mechanical skills can only improve over the coming months before I really get on my own nerves. What a nightmare. Next to be removed is the seat. It's not original. The foam inside is falling to pieces and has been making its way into the air filter and car. I've done some research and parts for this bike don't come cheap. I'm probably going to have to try it making my own, but we'll see. The seat is only held on with two bits of wire, which I've snipped off with pliers and then taken it off fairly easily. The back mudguard is removed using a 10mm spanner and will again be replaced with an alley one. The air filter is removed for a good clean. There are some missing parts to it, so I'll have to do some research to find out what's needed. The chain guard is next. It's sadly broken, but what am I expecting with a 50-year-old bike? I'm keeping it as a reference on how to make a new one. Again, 10mm spanners did the job here. Last but not least is the tank. It's held on with one bolt and I've used a 13mm spanner to undo it. Looking at the front, the fiberglass needs some repair and it will also get resprayed. I'm keeping the bike its original colours, which will be black frame, yellow tank and some yellow on the rear shocks. So that's all the parts off, and to recap, I've removed front and rear mudguard brackets, U-bolts, seat, air filter, chain guard and the tank. In part 3, the focus will be in working towards getting the bike started. The air filter and card need cleaning. I'll also have to remove the footrests so I can kick the bike over with more ease. No doubt there will be more parts removed. Hopefully I'll also have a workshop manual, which I've ordered, so I'll keep you all posted about that. And lastly, thanks to everyone who's watched, liked and subscribed.